Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista of Balancing the Becks, and I'm a stay-at-home mom to two little boys. Sorry if you can hear my boys in the background. It is almost impossible nowadays to do a voiceover or anything without them being in the background, so you'll just have to deal with that. But I started this video off today by doing a little bit of organization under the sink and in one of my drawers. It was desperately needed.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Your sudden gaze and time, it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
So this is actually a different day, if you can't tell by the change of my clothes. I did this video over a course of a few days. I really needed to clean the washing machine, not like the inside kind of, but like the outside. I just haven't done it. As you could see from that before shot, it looked awful. So here I am just scrubbing it down with my little concoction of Whip It and some water.
I knew it was a dream.
So after I did, sorry if you can hear Ollie, he is currently in my lap. I wanted to wash the fruit that I got for the boys for the week. So I used this Fit Organic produce wash that I get from Walmart. And all I had this day was blueberries and strawberries to wash. And then I put them in a separate container. I always want to wash the stuff that I get for the boys, like as far as produce goes, because you never know like whose hands have been touching the produce, and it just grosses me out to think about it. But yeah, this wash actually gets the stuff really nice and clean. After I washed them, I cleaned out the sink, and you could see all the little bits that it got off of the strawberries and the blueberries. So I got these little containers to put like cereal and stuff in, and I'm currently loving them. That I put them on top of the fridge, so I just wanted to refill one of these Dino Bites or Cocoa Pebbles, whichever one you want to call it. We get the off-brand, and I just put those in there, and I am loving it. I definitely want to get more containers like this. So this day I was making a little dinner, and I thought I would insert it into the video because it's one of my favorite things to make. I call it Fiesta Chicken. You just take a pound or 2 pounds, I don't remember which one this one was, I think it was 2 pounds of breast tenderloin, and then you use a packet of taco seasoning and put that on top. Usually I don't do this, but I decided to do it for this one, and it turned out so good, so I think I'm going to keep doing that. And then you just add a whole jar of chunky salsa, or whatever salsa you want to use. This time I used chunky salsa. It was really good. And you also put in whole kernel corn and black beans. Make sure that you pour out the juice from the black beans, because that stuff's kind of gross, but you do that. And then you also want to add in just a couple more things: some cream cheese, some Fiesta blend cheese. You don't have to add all the cheese, but that's what kind of makes it really, really good. And then you just let it simmer or cook on high for 4 hours, or you can cook it on low for 8 hours.
Your heart, and ever since that day, boy, you
So every once in a while I like to go around the rug and really deep clean right there, because these two boys are so messy, and as you can see, around the rug gets super dirty. So I like to take a scrubber, some cleaner, and a little knife and really get in there and make sure I get everything up, because this stuff likes to stick on the floor because it's been a while since I cleaned around. So I just do that, and you will see as I'm trying to clean, the boys come in here and, you know, kind of take over. I really wanted to cut out that portion of this video, but it was kind of hard to because I was still cleaning and it was important to see like the end of it and stuff. So just don't mind them. Whenever they're at home, they don't like to wear a lot of clothes, but I tried to keep them out of the video as much as I could.
Through knowing all along how much I need you to, but it's just some things you gotta thug in this game of love. Oh, you hurt me first, so you gotta make it up. Baby, you got your issue, and I have no regrets. Anything concerning you and me, it was a lesson learned. Gave you my all, and this time I ain't got nothing left. As much as I wanna love you right now, ain't the time. So you gotta let it go. Let it go, baby. Let it go, baby. I know you're hurting, but I don't deserve it. You then keep loving me, one foot outside the door. You need to let it go. Let it go, baby. Let it go, baby. Let it go, baby. I know you're hurting, but I don't deserve it. You can keep loving me, one foot outside the door. You need to let it go. Let it go, baby.
So after it's been like 4 hours on high, that's what I did. I take out the chicken and put it into a separate bowl and shred it up using my hand mixer. I just find this works best for whenever you have to shred up chicken. It takes way less time, way less effort. It's just all around so much easier to do. And then once it's all shredded up, I add it back to the crock pot, and I get more of the Fiesta blend cheese and some sour cream, and I add that in, and that is how you make my Fiesta chicken.
I love you, although you give me fear and pain. You know I can't control. I hate you, although you give me all the reasons why I found my soul. When I sleep, you're next to me, even though you're my enemy. I forgive all the harm you've done to me. When I wake, you're begging me, draining me of my energy. I forgive all the harm you've done.
So this is later on in the evening. I let my robot go so that I could get the floors clean in the living room it's just so much easier to do it that way. And then I start cleaning up from the day, getting the pillows back on the couch, folding up the blankets, things like that, so that I can focus on doing the floors. The floors, I try to do them every night, but it doesn't always get done. But I am loving this O Cedar spray mop. It just makes things so much easier, and it's not as bad as using the Swiffer Wet Jet, where you constantly are throwing away the pads. I just feel like it's a little bit more eco-friendly. I do have to wash them more often, but I do have, you know, multiple pads, so it's not that much of a big deal.
I don't want you, you don't need me, I don't need you. But without you, who would I be? I love you, although you get me feeling pain. You know I can't control. I hate you, although you gave me all the reasons why I found my soul.
And this is actually going to be the end of the video, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed it. Maybe you got some cleaning motivation. As you can see, my house is still not perfect. I have stuff everywhere that I still need to pick up. I need to do laundry, but that will be left for another day. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and like this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.